Hello, I'm here today to show you how to record and upload a video to a Canvas assignment. The first thing you'll need to do is find the assignment in your course that you need to upload a video for. Click the Submit Assignment button. Once the Submit Assignment button is open, you have a chance to upload a file. So if you've already recorded your video and it's on your desktop, or in your Documents folder, you can add it there. If not, you can click on Media and choose this button, Record or Upload Media. By clicking the Record Media button, it opens a camera. And when the camera opens, as soon as you're ready, you can hit Start Recording. It gives you a little countdown to let you know it's ready. And now it's recording. So at this point, you can start recording your video. If it's a PE assignment, you can just position the camera so that you can jump around or do whatever video you need to record. And then when you're finished, click Finish. Give it a name. So for this one, I called it Locomotor Assignment. Save. And now it has saved and it gives you a message ready to submit. Click Submit Assignment to finish. So then I click Submit Assignment and that video that I've made is submitted.